for today's video is, ayun, hindi naman tayo makapag-vlog.
I have something for you.
Yes! And yan. And so, ngayon lang tayo maka-upload. And dahil mag-vlog tayo is, huwag na natin papapain itong video natin. At subscribe, like, and subscribe. Oh! I want this!
For my baby.
Oh, isa. Wow!
For my ate and kuya.
Yay!
This is for ate. And this is for kuya.
Oh! So, meron na naman tayong pang
For ate and kuya again.
Ito, meron ko rin ito, guys.
This is for ate. For kuya.
And then, coloring.
This is for ate.
Talaga sa taong
For
bayan.
ate.
Oh!
Yes, ayaw sa mga
Dami bigay ko na lang. Thank you, Mom.
designated park.
Oh!
Want that? I mean, I'll open it.
Oh my.
Open, I'll open.
And ayan, meron tayong highlighter,
I'm gonna open that.
ano to? Eraser! Oh, and color po. Pwede siyang pag-Christmas sa, guys.